Kasi dinadaya lang tayo eh. Natin? Ang bigat! Wala nga! Oo, kaya. Mababalik ko pa kaya? Try. Naku, hirap na. Uy! Kuya!
Shorty's love is like a pyramid. We stand together to the very end. There'll never be another love for sure. Ayaz and Shabis, let we go.
Stones, heavy like the love you've shown, solid as the ground we've known, and I just wanna carry on. We took it from the bottom up, and even in a desert storm, sturdy as a rock we hold, wishing every moment froze. No, I just wanna let you know.
Earthquakes can shake us, cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take away our love.
Get past the top.
Like a pyramid, hey, like a pyramid, like a pyramid, like a pyramid, like a pyramid.
Cold, never ever when you're close, we will never let it fall. Story that was never told, something like a mystery.
Every step we took, we grow. Look how fast the time has flown. Journey to a place unknown.
We're going down in history.
Because cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take away your love.
This heart is solid rock. Past the top. Just keep it going, we'll stay like a
Like a pyramid, girl, I'ma show you that I love you so much that we gonna get through. Even with storms, I will never go. I'ma be the one to keep you safe. 4 walls of love, I get more than enough. Holding on to one another, you can cover when it's rough. Mother nature, one disaster, won't stop a happy ever after.
Hello.
Balancing, nagsimula yan. Actually kay Andy.
Hello, announcement.
Siya yung
na open, na rock
Starting
balancing.
today until tomorrow,
Ano yung
pwede
art?
raw
Mag-landscape ako sa garden.
practice
Tapos,
ng rock balancing.
parang nung una, happy lang. Inner peace na sinasabi ni Andy Goldsworthy dun sa art na yun.
Announcement
Masyado
po,
ako nagkaroon ng connection.
From now until tomorrow, pwede po kayong
Hanggang sa
mag-practice
nagkaroon nga na medical mission dun
rock
sa amin,
balancing
nahihiya
sa
pa
labas.
akong ilabas yung art.
Sa
Kasi
right side.
pinagtatawanan ako ng mga tao kasi wala silang nakikitang ganon. Hindi siya natural. Pero nung nilabas ko, maganda naman yung naging feedback. Yung pari dun sa simbahan na ginanapan ng medical mission, napasigaw pa siya na this is impossible. So, nagkaroon ako ng challenge na talagang hindi to imposible. Sa Pilipinas, pinopromote na namin yung art, hindi lang as an art, para din sa mga tao at para din sa nature.
Habang nagbabalansi ka ng bato, ang nangyayari sa iyo, yung focus mo nandun na agad sa bato na gusto mong i-balance eh. Tapos, yung patience, kailangan nandun. Yun yung magsasabi sa iyo na, eto na yung bato na napili ko, eto yung gusto kong itayo, hindi ko na ito babaguhin. Kakayanin ko na may balance ito kasi hindi imposible na maibalance ito. Next is determination mo rin para maibalance mo yun. As a form of meditation kasi biglang nandun ka lang sa sarili mong mundo eh. Ganon din ang rock balancing. Wala kang ibang iniisip, wala kang ibang iniintindi.
Shorty's love is like a pyramid. We stand together till the very end. There'll never be another love for sure. Ayaz and Sharice, let we go.
Stones, heavy like the love you've shown, solid as the ground we've known, and I just wanna carry on. We took it from the bottom up, and even in a desert storm, steady as a rock we hold, wishing every moment froze. No, I just wanna let you know.
Waves can shake us, cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take us way down.
On a solid rock, it feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together from the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never want, just keep on going. Forever we will stay like a pyramid.
Like a pyramid, hey. Like a pyramid, like a pyramid, hey. Like a pyramid, like a pyramid, hey.
Cold, never ever when you're close. We will never let it fall. A story that was never told. Something like a mystery.
With every step we take, we grow. Look how fast the time has flown. Journey to a place unknown.
We're going down in history.
Shake us, cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take us.
Away in love. On a solid rock, it feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together from the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never want, just keep it going. Forever we will stay like a pyramid.
Like a pyramid, girl, I'ma show you that I love you so much that we gonna get through. Even with the storms, I will never go. I'ma be the one to keep you safe. Four walls of love, like it more than enough. Holding on to one another, we will cover when it's rough. Mother Nature, on disaster, won't stop a happy ever after.
natin ang Rock Balancing Philippines. Dapat kapalitangan ng informasyon tungkol sa pagkapahalaga sa kaligtasan. Bali yung buong Rock Balancing, yung tinuro natin sa mga bata kanina is para ipaalam sa kanila na walang imposibleng bagay kung gugustuhin natin. Kasi magalang yung bato, isingatang natin sa mas maliit na bato siya, tapos yung tips pa niya nakalagay yung malaking hasto na natin babay. Hindi gugustuhin na lang sa atin ang balance ng ito.
Like a pyramid, pyramid on a solid rock.
like a pyramid. We stand together to the very end. There'll never be another love for sure. Ayaz and Shabis, let we go.
Stones, heavy like the love you've shown, solid as the ground we've known, and I just wanna carry on. We took it from the bottom up, and even in a desert storm, sturdy as a rock we hold, wishing every moment froze. No, I just wanna let you know.
Earthquakes can shake us, cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take away our love.
On a solid rock, feels just like it's heaven touch. Together from the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall, just keep on going. Forever we will stay like a pyramid.
Like a pyramid, hey. Like a pyramid, like a pyramid, hey. Like a pyramid, like a pyramid, hey.
Cold, never ever when you're close. We will never let it fold. A story that was never told. Something like a mystery.
With every step we took, we grow. Look how fast the time has flown. Journey to a place unknown.
We're going down in history.
Shake us, cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take away our love.
On a solid rock, it feels just like it's heaven touch. Together from the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall, just keep it going. We will stay like a pyramid.
Girl, I'ma show you that I love you so much that we gonna get through. Even with the storms, I will never go. I'ma be the one to keep you safe. 4 balls of love, like it more than enough. Holding on to one another, be the couple when it's rough. Mother Nature, on this
Solid rock, it feels just like it's heaven touch. Together from the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall, just keep it going. We will stay like a pyramid. On a solid rock, it feels like it's heaven touch.
Their art. Their group was
Cold, never ever when you're close. We will never let it fold. A story that was never told. Something like a mystery.
Fox, maybe nature's hardest but most unyielding form. But two landscape artists from the town of Tanay, east of Manila, have found the rock as an equilibrium, and finding this can be tremendously satisfying. Rock balancing is a form of sculpture and performance art wherein natural stones are arranged in similar gravity-defying compositions without the need of any tools. And these nature lovers hope to raise awareness of environmental issues by sharing the beauty of their art. Their group was formed in 2009 out of a desire to to reconstruct their surroundings after massive flooding from Typhoon Katsana ravaged their town and killed many villagers.
There is no magic trick glue or other adhesive to the art of rock balancing. With the right touch, two Philippine environmentalists demonstrate how everything in nature has balance, even hard, oddly shaped and unyielding rocks. Rock balancer Leandro Inocencio explains.
Rocks can stand by themselves. You only have to pile them up, and each rock finds its center of gravity. You will see a point where the wobbling stops, where the rocks can stand on their own.
The two nature lovers hope to raise awareness of environmental issues by sharing the beauty of a delicate task that is part sculpture and part performance art. They demonstrate this art in a town east of Manila with a picturesque view and invite tourists and students to give it a try. Some of their rock totems reach 5 feet or 1.5 meters high.
We may think rocks have no other uses, but give it some appreciation, give it time. We can balance the rocks ourselves and even nature.
Kasunod na yung nature.
The Rock Balancing Group was formed in 2009 after massive flooding from a typhoon ravaged the town and killed many villagers. The idea was to resuscitate their surroundings and deliver the overall message that even when you think things can't be balanced, they can. And that goes beyond rocks. Andrew Schmertz, Reuters.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po yung grupo ng Rock Balancing Philippines para i-share sa inyo yung idea ng rock balancing, kung ano yung connection niya with nature at saka sa buhay natin. Bali, konting introduction lang po dun sa Rock Balancing Philippines. Pasensya na po, hindi sanay na sa stage kami nagpe-perform. Mostly ang performance namin sa ano po kasi sa nature or sa nakababa lang kami. Kasi pag nasa stage medyo bumabagsak. So next please. So art and the environment po. Ito po yung ating lecture ngayon. Next please. Next. So dun sa introduction po, nasabi na kanina, yung rock balancing, kung kailan po na-found. Konti ano lang po. Nung umpisa po talaga niyan, si Leyan, please Leyan. Si Leyan po ang nagturo ng rock balancing sa akin. Sa bahay lang siya nagbabalance ng bato. Kasi daw, ang nangyayari, pag may nakakakita sa kanya, kahit dun sa bakod lang, napapailing daw. Iniisip, ano bang ginagawa nito dun sa bato? Parang nasisiraan na yata ng ulo kasi pinapatayo yung bato. Inintroduce naman niya sa akin kasi nag-ano kami ng landscaping services. So sabi niya maganda daw sa garden. Nung una, ang sabi ko sa kanya, tingin ko mahihirapan tayo kasi pag may dumating na mga bata, pwede silang masaktan. So baka maka-aksidente pa tayo. Pero eventually, naging ano rin na, sige, sasamahan kita. So nagkaroon ng exhibits. Next po. Next please. Next. Ang aim po ng Rock Balancing Philippines ay mag-generate ng environmental awareness and balance in life by means of conducting performance art exhibition, rock balancing workshop, environmental interaction, next. Environmental awareness lectures, and men's responsibility in gender and development lectures. Kasi ano rin po kami dun sa Vausilo, kami nagle-lecture din po kami under po nung barangay sa Tanay. So next please. Next. Ito po yung mga iba't ibang activities na ginawa na ng Rock Balancing Philippines at patuloy pong ginagawa taon-taon. So meron tayong tree planting activities, clean up drive. So mountaineering, sa mountaineering, yung Mount Sembrano, nire-rehabilitate po natin. River trekking para ma-check natin yung mga tinanim natin sa tabi ng river. Next po. Gift giving, relief operation. Next. Product and event promotion, landscaping services. Next. Medical mission and ecotourism. So, the said project serves as a response to the municipality of Tanay's commemorative activities for Typhoon Undoy. Kasi po, yung Rock Balancing Philippines, nabuo po yan after nung Undoy. So yung Tanay, isa sa na talagang naapektuhan ng husto ng Undoy. So nakaisip kami, yung mga bato, ang dami eh. So sabi nila yan, ano yun natin, iayos natin, gawin natin na yung Rock Balancing Philippines. I-introduce na natin sa tao. Pero nung umpisa, hindi ito talaga for the environment yung ginagawa namin, parang libangan lang po. So habang tumatagal, parang yung nature kasi nagbibigay sa iyo ng ng idea. Nagbibigay sa iyo ng lessons kung saan mo siya pwedeng gamitin. Next please. So ito naman po, what is art? So marami nagtatanong ano ba yung art? Para sa ibang tao, ang art ay para lang dun sa mga artist talaga, yung mga nag-aral ng arts. Pero para sa amin po, ang art is something na ginagawa ng kahit sino. Halimbawa po sa organic agriculture. Halimbawa, meron kayong isang produkto na ginagawa, that's a form of art, di ba po? Katulad yan, yung pagpapabulaklak ng halaman, it's a form of art. Mga simpleng bagay, kung paano natin i-arrange yung mga gamit natin, kung paano natin ayusin ang mga farm natin, it's a form of art. Ito po yung iba't ibang mga klase ng art. So next please. So do you consider yourself as an artist? Yung iba po, sino po ba dito ang sinasabi na artist sila? Taas po ang kamay. Sino po nagko-consider na artist sila? So yan, si Sir, si ano. So hindi natin kino-consider na artist tayo, pero ang totoo niyan, lahat tayo merong artist sa loob natin. Ang kailangan lang po natin buksan yon, buhayin. Kaya yung iba kung nagtatanong, katulad kanina, pwede ba kami mag-rock balancing din? Kasi wala naman kaming pagdating sa art o sa ano. Hindi po. Kailangan lang po linangin natin o pag-aralan mabuti. Lahat ng bagay na pag-aaralan. So ngayon po, tatanungin ko, tingin nyo po ba artist kayo? Yes, di ba? Lahat tayo pwede maging artist. Lahat tayo pwedeng gumawa ng kahit anong bagay na gusto natin. So, present day concept of an artist. I-ano na po natin to, medyo hindi connected na masyado eh. Next. So, environment. In general, environment refers to the surrounding of an object or the natural environment and the living or non-living things that occur naturally on Earth. So pag inisip natin na environment, akala natin yung natural lang eh. Yung mga halaman, yung mga lupa, yung mga bato, yung langit, yung hangin, yan yung iniisip natin na environment natin. Pero ang environment talaga, alam naman natin talaga, kahit anong lugar, kahit yan madumi, yan yung environment natin. Ang kailangan lang natin pangalagaan, mamaya sasabihin namin sa inyo yung connection nung rock balancing dun sa pagpo-promote namin ng environmental awareness. Next please. Next. So ito pong rock balancing, isang form of ephemeral art It is an environmental art, pero meron pang ibang mga klase ng environmental art katulad po ng mga ginagawa nila. Installation art. So isang area mag-display gamit ang mga natural materials or may kasama ng mga synthetic materials. Katulad po nung isa naman, isang area, almost isang island, ginawa niya ng art. So that's a form of environmental art. Next. Next please. Ang problema lang po natin, merong mga environmental art na nagagawa na nakakaapekto sa environment. Katulad po ng ginawang to, medyo naging controversial. Yung isang isla, nilagyan niya ng may pinalibot siya ng materials na pwedeng makaapekto dun sa mismong kapaligiran niya. So, yung artist, medyo nasilip siya dun sa ganung bagay. So minsan, pag gumagawa tayo ng art, minsan i-consider din natin yung magiging epekto nito sa kalikasan. Next po. Ito po si Andy Goldsworthy naman. Isa siya dun sa pinakang sikat na environmental artist. Ang ginagamit niya yung mga sanga-sanga, yung kung ano lang yung makita niya sa paligid niya, pero on a large scale. Minsan gumawa siya ng napakahabang mga bato na parang ahas, tumawid pa sa ilog, ganon. Ito naman po, nasa tabi ng dagat, inipon niya, ginawa niyang parang kern, tapos ephemeral art siya na anytime na tumaas yung tubig, mawawala yung art na yon. So, parang sinasabi na walang permanente sa mundo. Next po. Sustainability. So, sustainability, pare-pareho kayo nasa organic and natural farming, so alam natin yan. So kung halimbawa sa building pa lang, sa paggagawa ng building, isipin natin yung ano ba yung sustainable na pamamaraan, di ba po? So hindi na po natin yan. Next please. Okay, Rock Balancing Philippines use environmental art to generate environmental awareness and balance in life. Balance rock, balance life, balance nature. Nagsimula po kami sa pagbabalance ng bato. Next yung balance life kasi naisip namin na yung connection ng balance, hindi lang sa bato, kung hindi sa mismong tao na mismo. Kung ang tao, balanse yung pamumuhay niya, maaari na siyang tumulong para sa pagbabalanse ng kalikasan. Wala pong imposible kung makikita natin. Kung kanina, iniisip nyo, ay hindi mapapatayo yung batong yan. Pero dahil merong determination, may si Kuya Lean, para may patayo yung bato, nagawa niya. Ganon din po yung natin, yung sinasabi namin na kung ang kalikasan sinasabi hindi na kayang ibalik ang balance ng nature, kayang-kaya po basta sinabi natin, sinimulan natin sa sarili natin. Next. So ito po isang form of ephemeral art. Yung mga nasa paligid niya, akala nyo mga bulaklak, pero yan yung napulot lang namin sa dagat na mga buto-buto. So na siya, ginawa ng isang art form. Next, please. We are not in war with nature or the climate change phenomenon. It is the duty and responsibility of each and every one of us to take good care of our one and only home, Earth. Minsan po, ang nangyayari sa atin, sinisisi natin dun sa malalaking kumpanya or dun sa mga smoke belchers, yung mga pagkasira ng environment natin. Pero hindi po ba natin iniisip na pwede naman nating hindi isisi sa ibang tao. Pwede naman ang gawin na lang natin, huwag tayong magsisi ng tao, simulan na lang natin sa sarili natin kung paano tayo makakatulong. Yung simpleng